bigla akong nag-crave sa shrimp. Kaya ang ginawa ko, nagpunta ako sa SM Supermarket at bumili ng shrimp. 12 pieces lang to be exact, just to satisfy my cravings. Now the question is, anong magandang gawin sa shrimp? Alam ko na. Hi everyone! I'm back in my little kitchen. So kung bago kayo sa channel ko, you know what to do. Ano pa hinihintay nyo? Subscribe and watch all my previous vlogs and hit the like button. And most importantly, hit the bell button so that you'll get the latest updates. So for today, sabi ko nga kanina, nag-crave ako ng shrimp. And may nakita ako na shrimp na recipe na napaka-appealing sa mata ko nung nakita ko siya sa newsfeed ng Facebook ko. So, sa madaling salita, gusto ko siyang i-try kasi mukhang masarap. So, ano ba yung lulutuin ko for today? So, here are the ingredients. So, we have shrimp na 12 pieces. And we have salted egg. Yes, you heard it right. Salted egg. Tinanggal ko na siya sa shell, syempre. And usually, sa butter siya sinusote. Pero for tonight, what I'm gonna do is I'll use olive oil para healthy ng konti kahit paano. And then, rosemary leaves. At dahil konti na ang rosemary leaves ko, nag-harvest ako ng fresh na basil leaf kasi meron akong tanim dito na nasa pot lang na Genovese basil leaf. So nag-harvest ako ng konti lang para maihalo ko. And then of course, pang saute na bawang. So ano ba yung lulutuin ko for tonight? Well, it's called shrimp in olive oil with salted egg and herbs. So let's start. Ininit ko na yung pan. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is to put the olive oil. So again, instead of butter, which I usually use for this time I'm gonna use olive oil. And painitin lang siya ng konti. Pag medyo mainit na, okay, we'll saute first the garlic, the bawang. Pag medyo brown na yung garlic, we'll put na right away the shrimp. Madali lang maluto ang shrimp, guys. So, isasaute lang natin yung shrimp with the garlic hanggang sa maging red yung texture ng shrimp. So guys, medyo mamula-mula na yung shrimp, which means luto na siya. Actually, madali lang maluto ang shrimp. So, ang next na ilalagay natin ay yung salted egg. So, 1 salted egg lang ang nilagay ko sa 12 pieces na shrimp. Yung shrimp, ang size niya is small to medium. So, isasaute lang siya hanggang sa mahalo na yung salted egg with the shrimp. So, after mo mix yung salted egg dun sa shrimp, ang next ilalagay or ang last is yung rosemary leaf. Okay? Actually, you can put any herbs that you have available, at home. Pero as long as it's herbs, it's fine. So I will just leave it for like 2 minutes, and then after 2 minutes, luto na siya and ready to eat. So guys, tapos na ang pagluluto and here's the final product. Ready na siya to serve. So yung fresh na Genovese basil leaf ay nilagay ko sa ibabaw na pang-plating niya. So, sobrang swak sa budget, masarap, and most importantly, cravings satisfied. So that's it for today guys. And disclaimer lang po, hindi po ako chef at di ako marunong magluto. Nag-aaral po akong magluto. May pinaghahandaan lang. So, thank you for watching and I'll see you again in my next vlog. Bye for now!
Ever since the day that you went away